Welcome, from is a Nokia 8.1 and today I will show you how to format the SD card. And to get started, let's go into the settings. From settings you want to scroll down to storage right here and tap on your SD card. Yes, let's go to files right here. Now you want to tap on the three dots and go to storage settings, where you will find the format option. Tap on it and it will give you a message that performing this will remove all the data from the card, and if there's anything that you would like to keep, you might want to back it up before, otherwise you will lose it permanently. But assuming you have already done it or you don't want to back it up, simply tap on format SD card. The process will begin. It's a fairly quick one, only takes about 10 seconds. And once it's finished, the card is immediately ready to be used once more, as it is right now. Click on done and you're finished. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.